Hello everyone, let's find the solution of this given problem. We have a coin is tossed 3 times. The probability of getting head and tail alternatively is dash. Firstly, what is the meaning of probability? Probability can be seen as the level of certainty of an event. That is the level of how certain an event will happen or occur, and it ranges from 0 to 1. So moving back to the question, a coin is tossed 3 times. The probability of getting a head and a tail alternatively is what? We have 1/4, 1/8, 1/2, and 3/8. We know the formula for probability, which is the number of events all over the sample space. So what's the meaning of sample space? Sample space is seen as the set of all possible outcomes associated with an experiment. That is, after we carried out an experiment, we are going to have the set of all possible outcomes. A practical example of this is, let's say a student going to write an exam. So the set of all possible outcomes is either the student passed the exam or the student failed the examination. So that's the sample space associated with the experiment of writing the exam. So tossing a coin 3 times, the following are going to be the set of all possible outcomes. Is either we have head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, and so on. To get the number, we just count how many elements do we have in this sample space. So counting the numbers of elements, we are going to see that we have the number of sample space is going to be 8. So the number of sample space is going to be 8. So moving down to the event. Event will be determined by the question. The question is asking us to find the probability of getting head and tail alternatively. That is, we must not have 2 consecutive outcomes being the same. Like having the first true will be head and the second true will also be head, or the second true will be tail and the third true will be tail. So we must not have such. It must be in order: a head and a tail, then the last row must be a head. So if we are starting with tail, the second row will be head, then the last row will be tail. So now checking this sample space, we can see that this happens 2 times. That is head, tail, head, or tail, head, tail. So we are going to look for the number of events, which is just 2. So after getting the number of sample space and number of events, we just substitute it back to the formula, which is the number of events all over the number of sample space. So which is going to be 2/8, and we can reduce this to the lowest 10, which is 1/4, and 1/4 is going to be the final answer.